So I took another short, and this is kind of. I have a strange feeling because I didn't short the market for a long time. Just really in a long time I didn't short a thing, and it's already 2 days in a row that I shorts market. And the logic that stands behind this pretty the same. Like yesterday, we had an R3, and the price came above the R3 in golf. The next candle, the next 30-minute chart, there was a huge drop below the R3. So I let it a little bit, to digest, and then eventually shorted it. There are where I had a feeling, so we can say it like this, that it's not gonna work, but with the God bless, it worked. And in a minute, I'll show you on the chart how it looks like, and we'll talk about. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart of the S&P ES Micro. So we kinda, 3 days in a row, we kinda cannot pass through all this stuff, and here we try to make a lower high, penetrate a little bit. It's kinda eventually maybe will be a lower high if we break all this area of S4. If you can see, yeah, all this area, if you break below all this, so we potentially may head lower. So my short was in the R3 area, so this is this area. It's pretty the same area like it was yesterday. So take a look on 30-minute chart. We can see the R3. Okay, the price penetrated this area once, but it was like I don't know, 6 in the morning Israel time, so it doesn't matter. And then we broke above, we dropped back below. So this kind of tells me about the rejection, and depends on what price we'll do from that point. But at this point I understand that we cannot establish above the R3 area, and we potentially may head lower. So I gave it the time, a little bit digestion, and eventually I shorted around this area. I don't remember really the price, and covered. Honestly, I was planning, I may say it like this, to go to S3 area, but I don't know, I couldn't handle it. I still don't feel comfortable with shorts, so I didn't take it. So I covered a little bit lower, higher, around this area. If we can, if we'll take a look, I actually got a little bit lucky. At the time I record, the prices almost came back to this area again, but on 1 minute chart, okay, this is pointless. The entry was here, and my cover was in this candle, this one, around this area. So I made the 1-to-1, I made $100, and I don't know, I will continue to try it. I'm pretty sure a lot of people do the same thing. When you're in a position and you're in a profit already, and you grin, and the prices almost came to your target, but for some reason, from the bottom of your, I don't know, from the gut, it's kinda, you want to close it, and you don't care. You want to close it, you want to get a few bucks less, but you close it. Because I saw a huge amount of times when the price almost comes to my price target, and then just reverse and never come back. And you stopped out, and you curse yourself, and you just, okay, from the one side I followed my rules, from the other side it was almost near your target, and you kinda, for I don't know, 10, 15, 20 bucks, you kinda missed it. And I don't know, I prefer to close in an area, not exact price where I want, but it's probably an area, because I almost never closed at my target. Almost, not all the time, but most of the time I closed like in an area, a few bucks above or below, doesn't matter. I'm pretty sure a lot of people do the same thing, and when you just see the green, so you kind of want to stay green, you don't want to come back in red. And I don't know, you tell me. A little update in here. So the S3 area, when I wanted to cover, it's kind of already there, and shit happens, but it is what it is.